All right, today is Zippo Saturday, and I got a couple of good ones out of my collection. First one is a really nice one. This is on black ice. That's what the body is, black ice. It's called the Tribal Cross. Now, I don't know what tribe this is. Could it be the Chiricahua, Comanche, Apache? I'm not sure if it's an Indian tribe or some other organization, but it's on a really nice black ice finish. And this was made in E. Yeah, it looks like E. Of 19. Really good stampings on this one. I'm not going to fire this one up. It's got that tribal cross on it. It's pretty nice. And I do have a few Native American or Indian. Cancel culture does not like Indians. Made in G of 18. Good stampings on this one. Sounds good. And the cancel culture must want to get rid of all mention of Indians. And I go to the Indianapolis 500 quite a bit. And I'm sure they're going to change the name of the Indianapolis 500 to 500 miles of left turns. Something like that. And I also live in the state of Indiana. Have no idea what they want to change that to. But this one was made in L of 2017. That's the red Indian chief. Now this one fires up nice. And I'm going to do a little bit of a drop test on this Indian. Or Native American. It's always going to be Indian to me. And the red Indian chief passes the drop test nicely. It's a Zippo made in USA. And definitely deserves just a little cowbell. Knuckle bop.